Hello there. So today's lesson is going to be on sets. It's from chapter 20 in the textbook and Caboodle. You can find that on pages 422 to 423. We're going to be having a look at information just to introduce the chapter to you. First of all, looking at some intersections and unions to get used to the notation. So what we've got is set A and B representing in a Venn diagram. There we can see both set A and B together. We've got capital letters for the sets, and we've got this symbol for the universal set there, which contains all the information. We've got a little crossover there, like a bridge between A and B, which is represented there by the intersection. And then finally, we've got the whole set of A and B known as the union. So everything all together within both A and B. So here we've got a completed Venn diagram with sets A and B, lots of numbers showing the information and the universal set there with different bits in there. If you can see carefully, what we've got there within that information is that A, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, B, the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6, and then the universal set contains all the integer values from 1 to 12. What we're going to do is we're going to find A intersect B, A union B, and then the complement of A union B. If you want to have a look at that and you know what you're doing already, you could pause the video now and try it. Otherwise, I'm just going to continue through and tell you what we've got. So A intersect B is the values there within the middle. So we've got 2 and 3. A union B, that's all of the values within A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 11. And then the complement of A union B, which basically means all the elements not in A union B. So you can see we've got 4, 8, 9, 10 and 12 within there. We can also represent sets in Venn diagrams by just using the number of elements instead. So this is the same scenario. We've got the prime numbers, factors of 6 and integers from 1 to 12. And this time we've got the number in the universal set is 12 because 5, 7, 9, 12 elements are in there. When it's in this kind of formation, it's quite useful and easy to find probabilities. So we could find the probability of A intersect B, A union B, or the probability that's in the complement of A union B. If you think you know the answers, you can work them out now. Obviously the answers are just going to be coming. So the probability of A intersect B is 2/12, so 1/6. A union B, there's 7/12, and in the complement of A union B, there's 5/12. Just a few bits of notation we've been going through there. So we've got these brackets which you use when listing elements in sets. We use capital letters for the sets. We use the symbols. This symbol, which it looks like an N and a U for intersection unions. It's like a little bridge between them, and that represents all of them. If there are no elements in a set, it's an empty set, which is basically a 0 with a line through it. We use this symbol to represent the universal set, and we can represent sets using a Venn diagram, listing all the elements or the amount of elements in the set. Now you should be able to try the questions which are on page 423. Good luck.